Hello girls, I am Tanu Srivastava. Today I will discuss about the topic wired and wireless network. When we establish the network, we use two types. We use the wire or the radio signals or the other signals. So when we use cables to set up the network, that is called wired network. That is called wired network. Simple example we can see at home. Your television is connected with the set-top box. Their two devices are connected together, so that is a kind of network. We are using the cable. That cable having both ends, and that cable having connectors at the both end. That connector is called RJ45 connector, and that cable is called Ethernet cable. Clear? Now the three types of wire used in wired network. Three types of wires used in wired network: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and the fiber optic cable. This is the wired network. Okay, it helps to establish the wired network. Next is the wireless network. When the network is established without cable, that is called the wireless network. Example, we can see radio signals or the satellite signals. And simple example, signals are used. These are not example. This helps to establish the wireless network. Example, we can say Bluetooth. Using the Bluetooth, we can exchange the information. Devices are connected without the wire. For transferring the data. That is the type of wireless network. Now we will see about the difference between wired network and the wireless network. In the wired network, cables are connected to each and every one of the computer in the network. But in wireless network, there is no physical connection between sender and receiver. They are connected through the signals. When we see about the cost, wired network is comparatively low cost because the cost of switch and hubs or cables are not very expensive. These are not very expensive, but when we talk about the wireless network, it is costly. Wired network used for short distance. We cannot connect from one city or one country to another country through the wire. So it is used for short distance. But using the wireless network used for the short as well as the long distance. Best example is the internet for the long distance. It provides better performance. Wired network provides better performance. And wireless network is slow in comparison of wired network. These are the differences between wired and wireless network.